Hey guys, welcome to another cleaning motivation video. Today I have some deep cleaning for you guys. So get ready because I am doing some fall deep cleaning in my home, just getting my house ready for the holiday season. So if you are looking for motivation, you're going to find it today. So if you are tackling a room in your house or you've been thinking about getting some deep cleaning done, I hope that this inspires you to get it done. So I am starting my deep cleaning in my living room, and I want to start off with my area rug just because I know it is time to get it cleaned. In the springtime, I did a deep clean of all the carpets in the rooms, and I did show those. I didn't, however, get to my area rug, so I want to really get it cleaned up before the holidays. I've had this rug for about a year now, and I got it at Ross last year for, I think it cost me like $90. And while I loved it when I first got it, it wore down very quickly, so I'm not too fond of it now, but I'm going to clean it up because it's here to stay until I can replace it. But look you can see all of that mess when you move the couch, all of the dust and the dirt, and I just wanted to give everything a really good deep clean.
Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my reasons.
So the day that I decided to do this, I had actually asked my sister if she could watch my kids for a couple of hours. It was about 3 hours, and my husband was out, so I went ahead and just tried to get as much done before everybody got back home.
I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, I wish I wouldn't remember.
So I don't know if you do some fall deep cleaning before you get started just decorating for the holidays and everything. I know it is October, guys, I'm well aware, but I do my decorating for Christmas early in November. Like, it has always been a tradition for my husband and I to make sure that we have our decorations up by November 17th, no later than that, because we always like to have it up by his birthday. So last year, I think was the earliest I got it was the second week of November, but with all of this COVID stuff, I want to have it done the very first week of November. That is my goal. If I have them up on Halloween, I would be really surprised because I don't think I'll have them done by then, but my goal is to have them up by November 1st. So I'm curious to know. I know I'm super early, but guys, when do you start decorating for Christmas? Are you super early, or are you like wait till Thanksgiving kind of person? So I know that it looks like I'm going like super fast, but I was actually taking my time, and I go really slow when I'm deep cleaning an area rug or a carpet, just to make sure that I'm getting as much dirt up and as much water back up as possible so it doesn't take forever to dry. But I went ahead and I sped it up, of course, for the purpose of this video, and I can actually just tell how fresh and clean it was at the end. I know you can't tell on camera because you can't tell a difference on the camera. It doesn't look any different, but the area rug just felt so much cleaner. It smelled fresh. It didn't feel like dingy. So I am glad that I finally got that deep cleaned, and you can see here just how much junk was in there. See all the dirt? And that is how nasty that water was. So you're just going to see me opening up the rug so that it could dry. I'm not going to try to put the sectional back on top of it by myself, so I waited until my husband got home, and then that just went ahead and gave it some time to dry. You can see that it was a little bit curled, and that was because it was still wet. And then I moved on to starting to clean the table. I started cleaning it with this Microban 24-hour. It's a multi-purpose, it's antibacterial, and it was actually the last bottle that they had when I was in the store. I had seen a lot of people using it, so I wanted to give it a try, so I'm glad I got that bottle. And I was using the citrus scent. I don't know if there's any other scent, but that's the one that I was using, and I love it. And then of course, to polish my table up, I'm using my Orange Glow. I love Orange Glow, especially for just giving the wood a really good polish, and it had been a while since I did that. So because it's going to be holiday season decorating soon, I wanted to just give the table a good polish. This table has a ton of scratches and dents, and it has certainly been loved. It's been in this home for 12 years. We got it when we first got married, and yes, definitely been loved on, and the kids have done a little number on it, so I'm almost ready for a new one.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I am also over this mop that I've had for a while now. I am thinking about buying an O-Cedar mop. I have seen them, they look amazing, and I think it would be definitely much better for me to get one of those. So hopefully soon I'll be snatching up an O-Cedar mop, because this method of mopping for me is just such a pain. And this is the lampshade that is next to the table. So I went ahead just with a lint roller and got all of that dust off. You can see that it looks like obviously it hasn't been done in a long time. So I really just wanted to get that cleaned up, and the lint roller is amazing for that.
To make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind.
So the baseboards are another thing that I like to get cleaned up before I start decorating for the holidays. I just feel like all of that is so dirty, and it really just gives me peace of mind to make sure that I clean it up. But I can tell that it is time to give these baseboards a paint job because of the scuff marks from, I think it's from when the robot vacuum hits it. So they've got a ton of scuff marks that I did try to get off with a magic eraser, and it didn't work, but I was still able to clean them up a little bit, so that helped.
We've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind.
So while I was in this area cleaning, you're going to see me look up and look at something, and I realized that I had not dusted over here, and I didn't notice how dusty this wall really was. So I almost didn't do it, but it was bothering me so much that I went ahead and just dusted it. I know it probably should have been the first thing that I should have done, but honestly, I was not planning on dusting. It was just, I saw how bad that wall was, so I decided to go ahead and get that cleaned up. So this area is where the bar stools are normally, so this wall gets kicked a lot, and I just wanted to get this cleaned up because honestly just wiping all of the scuff marks off makes it look like it's got a new paint job. So I have said this before, especially in the springtime when I'm doing some spring cleaning, that this sectional is so heavy and so difficult to move. So really the only time that we move it is during spring cleaning and when I do my fall deep cleaning, and that's it, because it is so difficult for just me to do it with my husband. We love this sectional. We really are glad that we chose this one, and I don't have any regrets about that, but boy, is it heavy to move. And then I am just spraying down the couch. I like to do this every day with my Tide antibacterial spray. These microfiber bar stools are another thing that have been around in our home since we got married, and if you know microfiber, then you know that it gets dirty really quickly. So I took some rubbing alcohol and a damp rag and just got rid of all of the griminess on that microfiber stool, and that really just helps it look brand new and clean. I also noticed while I was cleaning them that a few of them were loose, so I just went ahead and tightened them up. If you enjoyed this fall deep clean with me, please leave it a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Thank you guys as always for your support and for watching, and don't forget to stop by in the comments and say hello. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.